here. You don't have to pet her. You can just say hi.
Pet her hair.
Hi. Can you stand next to her so Mommy can see you?
You want to give Mommy a big smile?
Look at me.
Look.
Is she sleeping?
Mm-hmm. She's sleeping.
What do you think? Is she pretty?
Is she very nice?
What do you think of her?
Are you a little confused, baby?
You can pet her head.
You want to sing her a song?
Is she very nice?
Let's sing her rockabye.
You want to sing her?
You want to sing? Rockabye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows.
I'm not sleepy.
Yeah, you don't have to sleep. We're singing for baby. Yeah. You want to give her a kiss?
Kiss her on the top of the head.
Yeah, give her a kiss on the top of her head.
Oh, what a sweet boy.
She's very nice.
Is your head soft, Michael? Does it feel soft? Huh?